How to fix Instagram story we couldn't complete your request problem easily and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast with only your settings on your phone. So all what you have to do is go to the settings page and then go to the apps and then go to apps here in the top, and here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just go to Instagram and then go to the storage and click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on data usage, scroll down and make sure to enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. Go back again, click on force stop and then go to the app details to check if there is a new update. If there is a new update, click here on this green option to update your Instagram, and after that the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.